Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SOCLLLife 4K Wireless HDMI Display Adapter, SOCLLLife Screen Mirroring Dongle. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Enjoy 4K streaming without cords. SOCLLLife Wireless HDMI Adapter mirrors 4K video and audio wirelessly from your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Android smartphones, tablets, laptops, and PC, on larger screens like TVs, monitors, and projectors. Say farewell to tangled HDMI cables and enjoy 4K streaming experience at your living room or office. Big screen casting from Android and Windows. Our wireless HDMI adapter lets you stream Netflix, Prime Video, Sky Go, HBO Max, YouTube, and more instantly from your Windows or Android device. Just plug and cast, you can enjoy smooth, high-definition series, movies, live sports, and shows on the big screen. iOS mirroring with limited apps. Using SOCLLLife Wireless HDMI Adapter, you can stream videos, photos, web browsing, and presentations from your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook to your TV. Supports mirroring popular apps like Safari, YouTube, TikTok, Zoom, WhatsApp, and more. Note: not compatible with HDCP encrypted apps like Netflix, Prime Video, or Hulu. Quick setup and connection. No complicated app downloads or Bluetooth pairing required. Plug the dongle into your TV, power it, and connect via your device's mirror function. Truly enjoy HD video and audio with simple, wireless convenience. Note: iOS users need an extra step to connect to the dongle's wireless signal. Mirror and extend display mode. Our wireless HDMI dongle features mirror mode and extend mode. Use extend mode to share your device's content on TV in real time, supporting 4K, 1080p or 720p resolutions. With the mirror mode, you can watch movies on TV while browsing your phone for other websites or apps simultaneously. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.